nasti, nasti, you understand? Says no other way, no other way, no other way is there. Anybody say, well, no. You understand? This is Juga Dharma. I go and establish Juga Dharma, Nam Sankirtan, and give 4 types of bhakti, dasya, sakhya, vasalya, madhurya. There are 5 principal mellows, santo, dasya, sakhya, vasalya, madhurya. Isn't it? But in Mahaprabhu's path, line, there's no question of santo ras. Do you understand? No question of santo. He discarded santo. So he said, Chari bhava bhakti, 4 types of bhakti. Dasya, sakhya, vasalya, madhurya. Understand that? Chari bhava bhakti diya, nasam bhuvana. I'll go and establish this Raganuga bhakti, prem bhakti, based on 4 mellows, dasya, sakhya, vasalya, madhurya, and make the whole world dance. Do you understand?